How to diagnose an air leak using a can of carburetor cleaner. It's easy. You just have to start the engine and you spray the carburetor choke cleaner and around the air intake manifold, around any hoses that are connected to the carburetor or around the carburetor. I did it. I had to remove the air filter and you just spray, and then you'll hear the engine react. It'll start revving if it starts sucking in that choke cleaner, and you'll know that the air leak is around there in that area. Be careful um, not to get too close to the fan blade. But other than that, you're good. You'll hear it and you'll find it and shut off your engine and go back and check for loose hoses or damaged hoses, disconnected hoses. Um, that's it. Have a nice day.